Meaning of elm tree.
Elm tree.
Elm tree.
Elm tree.
Elm tree. The elm tree is a deciduous tree that is primarily known for its stately appearance, with a height of up to 40 or 50 meters. It has a straight trunk that is covered in deeply furrowed bark and is supported by a wide-spreading crown of branches. The leaves of the elm tree are elliptical in shape and have serrated edges. Elm trees are commonly found throughout Europe, Asia, and North America, and they are renowned for their beauty and their ability to provide shade. In addition, the wood of the elm tree is highly valued for its strength and durability.